Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off Snapchat friend suggestion notifications. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner to get to your profile page. Tap the Settings cog in the top right corner of your profile. Select Notifications from the list of settings. If you are on Android, then uncheck the box to the right of Friend Suggestions. If you are on iPhone, then turn off the toggle to the right of Friend Suggestions. You will no longer receive friend suggestion notifications from Snapchat. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.